Give a brief explanation of dropshipping. Okay. So basically, let's say we're going to use Etsy. Let's say you have this pen right here. Let's say the customers in the UK is over here. Customers in the UK over here. You got this pen. So let me put it down for a sec. And you got a Chinese warehouse over here. The Chinese warehouse is over here. Actually, let me use this. Wait. Can you see that? Oh, you can't see that. Okay, let's say Chinese warehouse is the mic. Let's say the Chinese warehouse is the mic. Customer is the water bottle. So this water bottle, he buys a pen from a store. The store is based in wherever. Does not matter where the store is based. Does not matter where you are based. So it buys from the store, right? Buys from the store, sends the money to the store. So the store, let's say in Croatia, right? So this customer's in the UK, buys from a customer here and buys from a store in Croatia. That store in Croatia then goes, oh shit, we got an order. We need to buy the stock. We need to ship it to the customer. So that person in Croatia does not receive the item. They buy it directly from the Chinese warehouse, which is the mic, and the mic ships it directly to the customer. So it's like completely like that. So the person sends the money to here. This person then sends part of the money here to buy the goods, and this person then sends it directly to the customer. So you never actually touch the item. That is the model of dropshipping. It's very common in the online business making money world, and it's also very common in the actual normal physical business world as well. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.